I think I fucking fucked up.
Boys, we are live. Shut up.
I can't contain it anymore.
Welcome back to the channel, Dragons. Now, it's been a couple days since my last upload, and I decided to do something a little bit special. So if you saw my last VR video, you saw that it was me playing Onward by myself, playing this co-op hunt mode. Now, today we're playing actual co-op, so I have Spencer, Hunter, and Kevin with me. And the cool part is you're going to see footage from all of our perspectives, with the exception of Hunter. I was not able to get footage from him, unfortunately. However, you're going to see the perspective change between myself, Kevin, and Spencer as the video goes on. So let's get into it.
Can you raise like the budget at all, or is it as high?
It's Among Us.
It's Among Us.
Oh no, the budget goes.
Hunter, this isn't Black Ops 2.
Well, the points, whatever. Fuck you.
This isn't Black Ops 2.
This is Black Ops 2 and I can have custom attachments.
You gotta put the budget up.
Here, put up the budget. I need all my perks. Does anybody have speed cola?
Why do I have
I
two
need
flash
double
grenades?
tap.
But seriously though, can you like not do it at all?
No,
or?
you can't.
No,
Hunter.
no, it's 30.
God damn it.
Hunter, you've played this game before. Don't act stupid.
But I am stupid.
But, okay, that's besides the point.
Are we doing a night map at all?
Nope.
Okay.
Right now
Is
it's
it racing?
daytime on this map.
Is everybody ready?
No.
Not yet. There's
I
still
am
one
ready.
red bar.
I'm trying!
It's Hunter, okay? He's not. He's special.
I'm making a masterpiece. What the fuck? Why did my game just fuck up? What the
I'm
fuck?
gonna do a I'm gonna do a portrait of Hunter in green here.
Oh jeez.
This is what he looked like when we first met. Hunter, what was your football number?
Like 72, I think. That's why I have my. That's why my gamer tag's Bulkman 72.
Yeah. There you go. There's your football jersey. Hang on. I gotta add one more thing.
Now I'm ready.
Okay.
There we go. That was Hunter when I first
Yeah,
met
that
him.
was.
God, this is so cursed.
I told you that last one in confidence.
It's okay,
Alright.
comrades. We have big weapons.
I dropped my pistol.
No.
My guy's really big.
It's alright, guys. Comrades, watch out!
You're fucking RPG! God damn it.
That was hilarious.
Taking fire!
This is so fucking cursed.
There's a lot of people over here. Oh no! Smack 'em with that. Oh shit!
Fire from right side. Yeah, I'm getting shot at with the bug. Impeccable accuracy.
Not one second.
Oh my god.
Where is Jimmy's mommy, suckers?
Ah!
Where's my fucking rat?
Oh, shit. You fucked, asshole.
Where's my fracking mama?
Ah!
Hey, she lived on a banana peel and I need a revive.
Is everybody okay? Where the fuck is everybody?
Killing dead bodies over here. He's on me.
Where they at? Oh, they're this way. Go that way, go that way.
We're coming. Sure, have you been hit? Where's your medic bag? Oh shit! Ah!
Hang on, I'm
I'm kind of
coming.
fucked up over here, guys.
Hang on.
Oh shit, you're both dead? Here you go, boys.
Guys, I'm down. I need a revive.
Owie!
Come revive me. I need to kiss Jimmy's mom before I die.
Shut up, Wheezer.
It's not me.
Come on, give me up, give me up, give me up, give me up.
Yeah.
Dude.
I need the steroids. Put me up with a juke.
Bruh. Oh shit.
Hey, I need like a 2-minute break so I can get I need a few minute break so I can get an extension cord. I'm a little too tight up here.
Oh.
Right controller battery low. RIP.
Except for more epic content, woo. Woo.
Now I'm ready.
Hey guys, like and subscribe to Plasma Dragon. I just want you to know, we're gonna be playing at Paintball Explosion, okay? We're gonna fuck some shit up. I'm gonna fuck up some little kids, okay? It's legal. It's legal. I can hit a 12-year-old. I swear. Yeah!
Why are you
Guys,
talking
that's
to
okay.
Swagger Souls, man?
Can't you shut up?
Wait, now I can put Swagger Souls in the title of my video. I'm guaranteed 1 million views.
Oh god.
Hey guys, here it's Hank Hill. I'd like to talk to you about something very near and dear to my heart. It's called propane accessories.
No, I'm not done coloring Amogus, damn it. Alright.
Well, let me tell you what.
Oh shit!
Fucking tasty!
What do you mean, oh shit?
I missed that. I didn't even get to, I just heard it happen.
Oh shit!
Actually possible.
Oh, great! Yeah, you're a police officer now. That's for sure.
Why is my gun not loaded?
All I heard was just...
Oh shit! You gotta cock it back, bro.
I did.
Load it.
It is loaded.
You gotta put the belt in the thing. You gotta open it, put the thing in.
It wasn't letting me do the grab part.
Yeah. Oh my god.
It's still, yeah, it's,
Let me do it.
Kevin?
You got shot.
Hang on, I got you. That's my pistol. Yeah.
Mag, dumbass?
No.
Molotov out!
Let me see. Wow, that got nobody.
I didn't even light it.
it's not letting me even.
Hey, let me see it.
Like,
Drop it. Like, ah, fuck. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Okay. Where's the mag at?
Oh shit!
And it made me feel like a piece of shit.
God damn it. Let me grab my fucking magazine, motherfucker.
God damn it.
I'll protect this.
It is like literally not letting me put the bullets in.
There you go.
What?
I got it for you.
How?
I'm just goat. I don't know. I'm built different.
Apparently. I think that's why I didn't use LMGs the first time.
Oh, shit. Guys, we're down by the tank. I'm out of syringes, but Kevin is dead.
I think they're dead too.
Oh, shit. Shit. Hang on. I gotta go find a med kit or something. Ammo box.
Me too.
I'm gonna die. I can't run. Right here, it's in this building. Where is it? Come on, where is it? Just, okay. Ugh. No syringe. There we go. Heal myself. Grab one from Bois. Take an extra nade. Extra magazine. Fun fact, you can open and close these multiple times. Hey, let's go get Kevin. I'm coming back, Kevin. Hang on.
There's fucking 5 on fucking Hunter just walking on his body.
I don't know where the hell that guy is.
Shoot him. Is that fucking... It's not like Hunter, is it?
Враг обнаружен! Ложись!
Damn, this guy's close.
You got like 5.
I got you.
I found Hunter!
Where is he? Oh. Oh, they're both right here. Shit. Here. Are you alive or nah? Nah.
Touch me.
He did. Well, let me steal his syringe then. Because we can probably use it more than him. Alright, it's just Frost Dragon and Plasma Dragon now.
I can
Gun in his ammo.
sick.
You guys can get it.
Yep.
Woo! Good shot. Yeah.
Oh, what gun did he grab, bro? Oh, he is the big one.
Woohoo! What the fuck? Kevin, I'm down in the room right behind you. Or right next to you on your left. Oh, shit. Rest in peace. You're a good soldier.
Yeah. They spawned in the
Holy
fucking room
shit.
and walked out.
Oh my god.
I got naded.
Hunter, how'd you die?
With bullets.
Wow, you're fucking special.
Yeah, and then...
Well, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. This was an absolute blast, not only to record, but to edit. Now, I will have some footage coming out soon from Paintball Explosion, so stay tuned to the channel for that. Leave a like, comment what you think below, and see you guys in the future.